Welcome to day 2 of the month of more LifeWave Abundance Challenge, and so excited to be with you. We had the most incredible day 1 quantum correction call yesterday, so I would love you to go back if you haven't seen it yet, to go back in and to watch it. It gives you why this challenge is happening, what it's about, and from the heart, it's starting a process that will end in you feeling more abundant, alive, supported, and loved by day 30 of this month of more challenge. And so what I was doing was I was neutralizing the blocks to being and doing what it takes to have a healthy, energized, financially free life. And so very important. And today I just want to ask you, how are you doing? I mean, it's only day 2 of this challenge, but have you written out a list of the people you'd like to talk to that you know and love? Have you actually picked up the phone and called anybody and said, hey, I've discovered this incredible energy technology? And that's the way you would say it, by the way. I've discovered this incredible energy technology. I've got the most amazing stories of people who have become pain-free, who are sleeping better, who've just got a better quality of life, full stop. Just wanting to know if you want to hear about it. And then if you haven't signed up yet, today is the day. Please sign up. And do not sign up at the $25 section, because when the packages come up, because that gives you nothing. The only the least amount you can sign up for that is meaningful on any level is bronze, and bronze will give you 1 X39 or 2 of the other patches. Silver and gold, you're starting to accumulate some really good fun patches. Like, you'll get the patches that you need for rapid pain relief, wound healing, and reverse aging. And of course, if you've heard about LifeWave and you've been in here, and even after day 1's call, you've gone, hang on a minute, I just love this community. I love these people. I know I'm going to be supported. I am going to make a business out of this. Then you just want to sign up as Diamond immediately, because Diamond is the business package, and it's the one that just starts you off. So again, day 2, what have you done so far? And then the other thing is, what's your goal, right? My goal is to be an executive director by the end of May. And what's yours? Is it to even just sign up? If it's just to sign up, I think you can lift your bar a little bit higher than that. All right. Remember, this challenge is about you spending each week of the next 30 days talking to somebody that you can empower to start using and sharing the patches. Because when you have 2 people on your right leg and 2 on your left leg, you advance to manager status, and at manager status you start getting paid the real rewards. So the real rewards really don't come until you're advancing to manager director, and that's why I'm doing this. I want to bring you all up with me so that we can all grow together in this fabulous company, by healing by the speed of light and healing by the speed of thought. I love you. Oh, and just one other thing to finish off this. Today is Sunday, to day 2. And remember, I asked you all to rally through with me and to really help us get to this major milestone for our team. And that is, you now have until 9 p.m. tonight to go in and purchase 3 or more of any of the patches. If you purchase 3 or more of any of the patches except X39, you get a big price break, or sign someone up. Do either one of those or both, and you are in the running for a Sandra Biskind high frequency prize package. And I just love this. So I will be giving to the person who wins this from the drawing, I will be giving someone a Codebreaker, Discover the Password to Unlock the Best Version of You, the Codebreaker Journal, Codebreaker's incredible companion, one of my favorite books on the planet, and a 30-minute, $1,500 private session with me, and and a month's worth of Eon patches. So if you want to be in drawing to win that, and I'll be announcing that on Monday, which will be day 3, I think, then all you have to do is right now, and between now and 9 p.m., so you've got 12 hours, go into your back office and order 3 or more patches, as many as you can, and or sign someone up, and you're in the running for that major Sandra Biskind high frequency prize package. Oh, I can hardly wait to actually work with one of you for doing that. What we want to do, the aim of the game, is to get as many volume points as possible before 9 p.m. tonight, so that we can actually rank advance as a major team. I'm in it to win. Hope you're in it to win with me. I love you, and looking forward to hearing about what your goals are, even introducing yourself. And remember that if you don't know how to sign up, if you don't know how to get into your back office, go into this Facebook group and just ask me, and we'll jump on a really quick call together and I'll walk you through it. Love you. Talk soon.